Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID verification failed. So guys, when you want to use your Apple ID on App Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, you need to open your settings on your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this, you need to click on your main profile. And guys, after this, here is the option of personal information. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, first of all, you need to make sure that your name spellings or your full name is correct. So guys, if you have any mistake in your name, then guys, you need to correct this mistake. And guys, after this, you need to correct your date of birth. And guys, after this, you need to go back. And guys, if you do not have verify your email address of your Apple ID, then guys, you need to verify your email address. And guys, after this, here is the option of sign in and security. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, after this, here is the option of change password. So guys, simply you need to change your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after this, you need to turn on your two-factor authentication on your phone number. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to sign out your Apple ID from here. And guys, sign in again on your iPhone, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.